Time now for another check of the forecast. As promised, we could see plenty of rain over the next several hours. So, Robert, bring us up to the minute here.
Yeah, we continue to track all of that rainfall out there, and it continues to fall. In fact, I want to jump right to the radar to go over a couple of things. So, first things first, right in the center of your screen, we do have a flood warning in effect for portions of LaFleur and Sebastian County. This goes through tomorrow morning everywhere in this green polygon. Now, if we zoom it out for you, we also have several flood advisories in effect for the River Valley, as well as northwest Arkansas, Washington, and extreme southern Benton counties for all of the rainfall that continues to fall. And there it is, a huge slug of moisture slowly trundling its way through northwest Arkansas and the River Valley. All of this slowly oozing its way to the south and east, but not before dropping tremendous amounts of rainfall, inches and inches of rainfall. And embedded in here, we could have rainfall rates 1 to 2 inches per hour. That's why we're so concerned about this, the flash flooding risk. Temperatures right now north of the cold front, 50s and a few 60s. South of the cold front, we're still flirting with 70 degrees across portions of Scott and Logan counties. Front basically making its way through the River Valley, through the Fort Smith area, I should say, at this hour. It's a severe night, no surprise, for that moderate to heavy rain. 2 to 4 inches of rain certainly possible. I think we'll be closer to the 4 inches of rain when all is said and done. There could be isolated amounts much greater than that, which, as I said, we're very concerned about flash flooding as well as river flooding. Now, as we go through the next couple of hours, you'll be able to see there's all that rainfall making its way through the area as that front slowly slides its way through. And we won't see the rain start to turn off until in the pre-dawn hours. You can see just wrapping up in northwest Arkansas by around 3 a.m. It'll take till about 5 or 6 a.m. for the River Valley here. But we should see some clearing relatively quickly, and we may even end your Monday with not rain, but a few peaks of sunshine, which is certainly some good news. But not before, around 3 to 4 inches of rainfalls. These are the estimated numbers, the forecast from the Weather Prediction Center. You can see lots of rainfall all over the place. That's why a moderate risk for excessive rainfall remains in effect through tomorrow morning. That's rainfall exceeding flash flood guidance, which means the chances for flash flooding are pretty high. That's why everybody's under the flood watch through 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, and we're worried about significant river flooding, especially in this narrow arc here for the Illinois River in Benton and Washington County, stretching into eastern Oklahoma. Now, lows tonight will fall into the 40s and 50s. We won't rise very far tomorrow because that front will pass only into the 60s. Far cry from the 80s that we saw on Friday and Saturday. But it does get nice for the rest of the week for the most part. Lots of sunshine Tuesday, Wednesday. We could see some patchy morning frost in northwest Arkansas Tuesday morning, especially in some of the higher elevations and lower river valleys. Then more showers roll in here for Thursday through Saturday. Same thing in the River Valley, watching for sunshine Tuesday and Wednesday. No impact, no severe days once we get through tonight. We are going to get an update on the sports world with Miss Jordan Black right after these commercial messages.